Ever need to pay a friend back for dinner, split the cost of a concert ticket, or send money to a family member in a hurry? Wouldn't it be great to do it instantly, without fumbling for cash or dealing with complicated transfers? Well, if you're a Citibank customer, you're in luck. The answer is Zelle. It's a fast, safe, and easy way to send and receive money with people you know and trust, right from your Citibank app. And the best part? It's already built in. So, how do you get started? It's a simple, three-step process. First, you need to enroll. Open the Citi mobile app and sign in. On the main menu, look for Pay and Transfer and then select Send Money with Zelle. From there, you'll be prompted to enroll your U.S. mobile phone number or email address. You may receive a one-time verification code to confirm it's you, and then you just accept the terms and conditions. Now you're all set up. Second, sending money is just as easy. From the Zelle screen, you simply add a recipient. You can either select someone from your phone's contacts or manually add their email address or U.S. mobile number. Enter the amount you want to send, and you can even include a little note to say what it's for. Review all the details, hit send, and in most cases, the money will be in their bank account in minutes. Finally, what about receiving money? If someone sends you money using your enrolled email or phone number, you don't have to do a thing. The money will go directly into your linked Citibank account. You'll get a notification, and you're good to go. A quick but important tip: always make sure you're sending money to people you know and trust. Since Zelle transactions are so fast, they can't be canceled once the recipient is enrolled. And there you have it. That's how you use Zelle with Citibank to make quick and easy payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.